Breakups, they hurt, but it also can be a beginning for your new transformation and powerful life. Here's 5 ways to get over a breakup. Number 1, feel it to heal it. Don't bottle up your feelings. Let it out, express, cry, journal, go to the nature reserve and just scream, let it out. Don't hold in your feelings, because if you bottle it up, it will just slow down and regress for you to actually heal. Let it out. Let it out. This is the time just to let all that pain, resentment, anger, let that all flow through you. And what that does, it leaves space for something else to grow. And then you're ready to go on to the next step. Number 2, remove triggers. Delete any photos, get rid of any gifts, remove anything that reminds you of this person. You want to make space for new things, for great things, for new moments, for new gifts, new potential things that uplift you and make you a better person. You don't want to have things that haunt you. You don't want to have things that remind you. Remove it. Give it to charity. Sell it to charity. Just remove the past, all these negative feelings away from you, and just leave room for new amazing adventures. Number 3, focus on self-care. Eat good, move your body, read, bring something in your mental space that helps you learn and grow. Eat healthy foods that shows that your body that you appreciate it. Start loving yourself again. Start putting yourself first. Go to the gym, go to the library, because remember, healing starts from the inside out. Number 4, learn the lesson. Don't carry the luggage. What did this relationship teach you in which that you can bring forward into a new relationship? Growth is very important to your self-development, and sometimes life doesn't go the way that we want it to, but there's always a lesson to be learned. This breakup is making you a better person. Even though you can't see it yet, you've learned things. In the next couple of months, you're going to learn things in which you didn't learn, you couldn't learn if you didn't go through this breakup. And you're then going to get another partner, which makes that partner look like a joke because of the things that you've learned. You're more wiser, you're more experienced, you're more smarter. This is a blessing in disguise. Number 5, reignite your purpose. Channel that energy into something productive and positive. Turn that into inspiration. Start a new project. Learn something new. Do something creative. Try old hobbies that you long forgotten about. Do something that gives you purpose. If you want to do volunteer, charity work, do something that makes you you. Reignite that reason for your life. God gave you this life on earth for a reason. Reignite that reason. And I wish you all the best. You deserve love. I love you. I respect you. You can do this. I believe in you. And thank you very much for tuning in.